Welcome back everyone, this is Made with Matt. I hope you're doing well. In the previous video, we made the screens for the onboarding UI as we had seen in our Figma file. And today, in the last video of this series, we're going to be building out this button here to add a bit of style to this onboarding screen, because this is a bit plain. So what we have so far are these screens and this done button, which brings us to a home page. And the only way to get back to the screen is to reload. So let's jump right into it. First thing we'll need to do is download this package, React Native Linear Gradient. So out of the box, React Native doesn't come with linear gradients, but it's all good. We could download these packages. The next thing, if we jump back to the documentation, is to pod install. So I'm going to do it like this, jump into iOS, pod install, and once that's done, I want to go back. All right, now we're ready to actually get going with it. So we could look at this simple example, which is the sign in with Facebook button. And first things first, I'll import the linear gradient, put it right under here, save that, unexpected token, my bad. Cool, so we saved that, and we're going to need to change the render done button right there. So for now, I'm just going to copy what they have as their example to make sure I get it working properly. And we can see already it's looking like there is a gradient. But what I'll do is I'll go add some styles to it. So this is styles linear gradient. I'm going to change that to done button wrapper. And this is going to be done button text. I'll copy their styles, paste them at the bottom of my styles, save that to see what it looks like, and I won't get anything because I need to change them. Done button wrapper, and this is done button text. Save that, looks good. Obviously it's taking up a lot of the room, which we don't want. And I think I placed it on the wrong one. I put it on the next button instead of the done button. So let me fix that up. All right, so I fixed it up here, put the the next button back to how it's supposed to be, and change the done button. So if we check it out, sign in with Facebook, perfect. So I'm going to change this text now to be done. And I'm also going to change the gradient colors. So we want our colors to be in there. So we can check it out, and basically the colors we're going to need are these two. So that's the first one, and this is the second one. Save that to see how it looks. Nice. So the next step, we're going to want it to be a horizontal gradient rather than a vertical one. So let's go down here and let's look at the start and end values. We'll copy that, paste it right above here, save that, and we could see right away that it changed the direction of the gradient, which is what we wanted. So let's add a bit more style to make it look exactly like our Figma file. And to do that, go down to the done button wrapper that we added, and let's start changing some things. So first off, we'll want the left padding to be 35 and the right to be 50. Now that's going to give it a longer right side because we're going to be pushing it to the right like that. Next thing we'll want is the border radius to be 25. Save that so you can see. And now we have to shift it to the right. So the easiest way is let's just do -40. There we go. Now the next thing is we'll change the text. We'll set it to, what is it here? Open sans semi-bold 14. So this is not Drill Sans, Open Sans semi-bold. This is 14. And let's save that. Looks good. Color. We'll set it to colors.white, and this is useless. And there you have it. That's all we needed, and we're done. So let's run through it. We have our first page, second page, and are done with this button. We click it, brings us to the home page, and that's it. So thanks a lot for watching. This was a really quick one, really easy, but lots of fun. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.